Hi guys, welcome to the session. This is Prakash, Maths Tutor. Let's solve the question which I have written on the whiteboard. In this question, we need to draw the graph. We need to show the answer using graph. The first we need to draw the graph and we need to mark the vertices, the given vertices of the triangle ABC, and then we need to reflect the ABC on y-axis and we need to name that as A dash, B dash and C dash, and then we need to write down the coordinates of A dash, B dash and C dash, and the fourth one we need to write the geometrical name for that figure, and then finally we need to find the line of symmetry. So let's take a grid and draw. So let's draw the grid first and draw the x and y axis. So this is the y axis and let's draw the x axis as well. And given we need to take 1 centimeter as each unit. So let's draw the numbers as well. So like 1 2 3 4 5 and -1, -2 and -3 and so on, and draw the numbers in the y-axis as well, which is 1 2 3 4 and negative values -1 -2 -3 4 -4 and -5 and so on. Now let's mark the given points. A is 4, 4. So 4, 4. So we'll get that point A is here. So this is the A 4, 4. And the second one is 4, -6. So we'll get that point here. On the third point is and let's mark those points as A and B, and the final point is given is 8, 0, which is C. So this is the 8, 0. Now connect the lines, connect the points. So we'll get a triangle. Yeah. So this is the triangle ABC from the given coordinates, given vertices. So now reflect ABC on y-axis and name the vertices as A dash, B dash and C dash. So if we reflect on y-axis, the points becomes x comma, if x comma y is the original point, minus x comma y be the reflected point. So A dash becomes -4, 4 and B dash becomes -4, -6 and C dash becomes -8, 0. So these are all the A dash, B dash and C dash vertices. So just mark those points on the graph. So this is A dash, which is -4, 4. So this is the C dash, which is -8, 0 and -4, -6, which is a B dash. So this is the reflection on y-axis. So we'll get the triangle like this. If we reflect the original triangle ABC on y-axis, we'll get like this. So now write down the coordinates on the graph. So the minus 4 comma minus 6 is the B dash, and minus 8 comma 0 is the C dash, and minus 4 comma 4 is the A dash. So we have completed the first 3 points, and the fourth one, A dash, C dash, B dash, B and C. So we need to draw the lines for the given vertices, which is A dash, and then it goes to C dash, and then B dash, like that, like this. So if we draw the figure for the given vertices, we will get the figure like this. Yep. So we can conclude that this is in the shape of hexagon. So the fourth point, the geometrical shape, is the hexagon. And the final point is the lines of symmetry of A dash, C dash, B dash and B. So we need to find the lines of symmetry for the hexagon. So which is, from the figure we observed that the lines of symmetry are x-axis and y-axis. I hope you understand this question, but thanks for watching.